Why does Japan have one of the world's smartest money cultures, while millions of people in other countries struggle with debt? The answer is not magic, it's daily habits, discipline, and a completely different mindset about money. In many countries, people buy things first and think later. Credit cards make spending feel painless, but in Japan, many people still prefer cash because it helps them control spending. Many Japanese families use a simple envelope budgeting system. Money is separated for food, transport, bills, and savings. When the envelope becomes empty, spending stops. Japanese people often live in smaller homes compared to Americans. Smaller homes mean lower rent, lower electricity bills, and fewer unnecessary purchases. Japan teaches people to buy only what they truly need. Less clutter means less stress and less debt. Minimalism is not about being poor, it is about being smart. In many Japanese workers, save money first before spending anything else. This simple habit protects them during emergencies and prevents future debt. Japanese consumers often wait before buying expensive items. Instead of emotional shopping, they think carefully about long-term value. Many Japanese people use trains instead of owning expensive cars. This saves fuel costs, parking fees, insurance, and maintenance expenses. Japanese children learn discipline and responsibility early. They understand that money should be respected, not wasted. Japan experiences earthquakes and natural disasters often. Because of this, families prepare emergency savings instead of relying on debt. In some countries, people spend money to impress others, but many Japanese people care more about stability than showing off wealth. Japanese culture focuses heavily on long-term thinking. Instead of asking, "Can I buy this today?" many ask, "Will this help my future?" Avoiding debt is not about earning millions, it is about repeating smart habits every single day, even when nobody's watching. The Japanese system is not perfect, but their habits teach an important lesson. Controlling money is more powerful than chasing luxury. Debt does not disappear overnight, but smart habits can slowly change your future. Maybe the real secret of Japan is learning to live below your means while building peace of mind.